Alrighty, hello YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to open any exe file on a Mac. Now, I did have my tutorial on how to mod the first Dark Souls on a Mac, and it just kind of briefly showed you how to open that exe file, but I'm going to show you how to do it with any exe file and be a little bit more in-depth to it. So, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to the internet and type in wine. Let me move this little thingy. Type in like wine. Download, and you'll come up with like wine HQ wine bind. No, sorry, wait. No, sorry, wrong site. Wine bottler. There you go. And that it'll be this site, and you're just gonna want to download this. And once you download it, then get your exe file. I'm going to use this Dark Souls file that I actually did, but I'm just going to use it for let's just say keepsake. What you're going to want to do is find wine on your computer, wine bottler, and I got that just done on my dock. So you're going to open that, and I'll just say updating wine bottler environment, blah, 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 blah. Okay, there it is. Now, you can download browsers and media things that people already tried to get and that were really popular to get. But if you want to make your own, you're going to go to Advanced. And it's going to bring you here. You can do New Prefix, and then here's other prefixes. I don't know how these are there. I don't mess with them. Just hit New Prefix. If this is an installer for a program, do that. If it's an actual just program, hit that. And then there's this thingy. You guys can mess around with that if you want to. When you do it, hit bundle, because usually it won't work. It just usually doesn't work, but you just hit bundle, and then you hit select file, and then it'll like look like it's breaking. Like, doesn't work, come with like, it'll look like a little error thing, but it's not an error, trust me. But once you're done like with that, I usually don't do this because it's like a 50-50 chance of it working depending on the type of exe it is, so I usually stay away from this. What I actually do is I go in to the exe, Dark Souls.exe, you hit right click and hit open with, and if wine is not your default, then go down to wine and click wine, and it just says you're about to open file with, and it'll just have this default thing. Do that. You could also click right here. It'll automatically do it without you going in that little page. So then you just hit go, you wait, it'll load, and it should pop up. And there you go. There's your exe file. It won't look exactly the same as on a computer, but it'll be very, very close. And what you can also do is if you have this app called Crossover, I've never used it, I just got it. If I open with that, don't check, just try now. I just got the demo for Crossover, and it does the stupid crap, so that's why I don't use it. So just stick with wine, guys, and you should be good. If an installer doesn't work, it means that the program doesn't work. Like with the Dark Souls 2 one, the first Dark Souls works, but where is it? Dark Souls 2.exe. Like if I hit right click, open with wine, and then just hit go, it doesn't go. It just stays stuck here forever, and it just doesn't open a file, but it doesn't close a file. And that's your first one's loader. It's stuck on this, but whatever, I don't really care. But yeah, that's pretty much how you open an exe on your Mac. You can do it with anything, games. I mean, I did it with all these games. I did it with Payday 2. I did it with not Slender. I did it with Outlast, Surgeon Simulator, Skyrim, Terraria. I was able to do it with that. And this is my game, Eyes in the Dark. It's just in beta testing right now, but maybe I could show you guys that a different time whenever I get more of the coding in. And if you guys want to see more videos like this on my channel, just send me a message or just comment saying like, yeah, you guys, I like this thing, because I don't know what I'm doing on YouTube right now. I'm just trying to kind of make a living with YouTube. not make a living, sorry, that was the bad word vocabulary for that, but, you know, I'm just trying to, you know, have a good time, but I just don't know what to do. I was starting with unboxings and stuff, but then I'm starting to refrain from that because it costs a lot of money to get stuff, and people that actually sponsor you with items just doesn't work. So I'm going to try to do this. I'm going to try to make games. I might be going into some machinimas, like Halo. I might be making some Dark Souls 2, Dark Souls, GTA, Minecraft videos as well. So, yeah, so just please comment, rate, and please subscribe because, you know, it really helps out. Peace, man. Man, why would I say man? Like, well, because there's a 50-50 chance of you being a male or a female. It just doesn't matter. Yeah, bye.